This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm in a true Gold Coast location on iconic Astor Street at the Astor House. Standing on a 26th floor balcony, was looking north toward North Avenue Beach, panning around toward the lake and Oak Street Beach, and to the south for a view of the skyline and Mag Mile, short walk away. Cold out here, so let's head inside. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath on the northeast corner of the building. Split bedroom layout. An unusually large living dining area with an area that defines itself well for dining. And just this spectacular kitchen. It's unusual to find a kitchen with this amount of cabinet, counter, and storage space. Breakfast bar easily seats 4. There are marble look quartz counters and backsplash. Crown moldings above the cabinetry. Storage is just absolutely amazing. Cabinets have shelving up above and deep pull-out drawers down below. Your dining area is going to give you a great view of the air and water show, and a view up and down the great architecture on Astor Street. Kitchen has undermount ovens, both conventional and microwave. Stainless steel appliance package. Really great presentation. Heading toward the entry, there's a coat closet. Another closet for linens as you head toward the master suite. Stacked front-loading washer dryer. Master bath has a double bowl vanity. Designer fixtures and fittings. There's a wide walk-in shower with a rain shower head. A nook for soap, shampoo, whatever. Walk-in closet behind the door straight ahead of me. And then a very generously sized master bedroom. Also looking north, space for any size bedding and additional furniture. Again, you have that split layout, perfect for privacy, for roommates, for couples who keep different hours. Guest bath. Finishes similar to the master. Same tile up to the ceiling. Rain shower head. And a nicely sized second bedroom with a fabulous view out to the lake. Great spot to watch the sunrise. Closets have organizers. Astor House has a wholly updated suite of amenities that starts with a rooftop pool, new fitness room, resident lounges, great service. Really want to have this high on your must-see list. Head to the building's website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.